Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check Instagram analytics. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, if your account is a personal account, you'd have to change it to be a professional account. And to do this, go to Menu and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Click on that, and from the options, select Switch to Professional Account and click Continue until you're done, and select what best describes your professional account, then click Next, and you may now go back to your profile. And as you can see here, you now have a professional dashboard. And this is where you can access your Instagram analytics. So just click the professional dashboard and you will see the insights. So you may click accounts reached, accounts engaged, and total followers for you to be able to see a more detailed information about your analytics. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!